Here at Shawnee State Park, and they've taken a great deal of water out of the lake to repair some things. And it gives me an opportunity here to see the lake with some water out of it to give perspective on the geology of the land. Normally things you'd never see. For instance, where these hills are, you don't know what the rock strata is. I've done some walking around here, and my main objective was to find arrowheads. As you can see, my original thought is that this was all, looks like millings from mining. It's a form of slate. There's a lot of fossils in it. But what you're seeing here is off in the distance, I don't know if you can see, is the Allegheny Front. And I measured about 15 to 1700 feet higher than where I'm standing now. It's a different continental plate. The continental plate where I'm standing now, the rock layers go pretty much up and down. Over where I'm from on the Allegheny Plateau, they're flat. So they're two continental plates. This one slid underneath it and then turned and arced. So where I'm standing here at one time was once a giant mountain range similar to the Himalayas. You can see some of it still left in this excursion that comes up. So where can we find proof of it here? Just looking. I know over here is all a rocky area with cliffs. Oh, look at this. Can you see how these rock layers go at an angle up? They all do. And your rock layers are this angle here. So when you're looking at it, you're looking at a folded layer of rock that was once flat and now is curved. This was an uphill at one time. This was actually part of a mountain that went uphill. So what I'm looking at one time, if I were standing here when these mountains were formed about 250 million years ago, I'd be in the middle of a great mountain range that would start over on that end here, go all the way up to the sky and arch down over there right before the Allegheny Front. There's a rock layer that goes up. So you're looking at a mountain about 15 to 20,000 feet higher than right now. It'd be similar to Everest. How do I know that? We'll look at some of these rocks. And now towards the edge of it, because they're sedimentary rocks. These are ancient muds that I'm seeing. Every one of them. But it's a slate, and it's almost like a big slate. You get to a point where you find some fossils, but then when you get inside, like on these rock layers here, it's almost like a cooked slate that's shale. Metamorphic rock. We're going to walk a little bit here. Just see how some of these rock layers, you can really tell, right here for instance, that this rock layer went up towards the sky at an angle. That's what did, and they were all over time worn down. All the way up to Will's Mountain, which is over in that direction. Amazing. And here, if you really look, some of the sedimentary rock. You can see it's almost like a fossil.